Google Nest Aware is a subscription service offered by Google for their Nest Cam and Nest Hello devices, which are smart home security cameras and video doorbells. Nest Aware enhances the security capabilities of these devices by providing advanced features and cloud storage for recorded video footage. Here's a detailed description of how Google Nest Aware works to secure a home. Continuous video recording. When you subscribe to Nest Aware, your Nest Cam or Nest Hello gains the ability to record and store video footage continuously. This means that the camera captures and saves video 24/7, providing you with a comprehensive timeline of events around your home. Cloud storage. The recorded video footage is securely stored in the cloud, eliminating the need for local storage devices and preventing data loss in case of camera damage or theft. Google provides various Nest Aware subscription plans with different levels of cloud storage capacity. Intelligent alerts. Nest Aware uses advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to analyze the video footage. It can distinguish between different types of motion, such as a person walking or a car passing by, and send you intelligent alerts for specific events, reducing false alarms. Activity zones. With Nest Aware, you can define specific areas within the camera's field of view as activity zones. The camera will pay extra attention to these zones, ensuring that you receive alerts for activity occurring in those areas while ignoring irrelevant motion outside them. Familiar face detection. Nest Aware can recognize familiar faces based on previous interactions. Once it identifies someone you've tagged as a familiar face, e.g., family members or regular visitors, you can receive personalized alerts and notifications. Emergency call services, optional. In some regions, Nest Aware offers an optional feature that allows you to connect your Nest devices to emergency services directly from the Nest app. In case of an emergency, you can quickly contact the appropriate authorities with the touch of a button. Event history and timeline. Nest Aware provides you with a detailed event history and timeline, allowing you to review past events and activities recorded by your camera. You can easily scroll through the timeline to find specific events and video clips. 24/7 monitoring. With Nest Aware, you can remotely access the live stream from your Nest Cam or Nest Hello at any time, ensuring you can monitor your home 24/7, from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Easy video sharing. Nest Aware allows you to share specific video clips with family, friends, or law enforcement if needed. This feature can be valuable for sharing evidence or recording suspicious activities. Secure data encryption. Google takes data security seriously, and all the video footage and personal information transmitted and stored in Nest Aware are encrypted to protect your privacy and sensitive data. In summary, Google Nest Aware provides an intelligent and convenient way to enhance the security of your home through continuous video recording, cloud storage, smart alerts, activity zones, familiar face detection, and optional emergency call services. With these features, Nest Aware ensures that you stay connected to your home and loved ones and have a powerful tool to deter potential threats and maintain a safer living environment.